In this video, I will teach you how to connect TikTok Shop to WooCommerce. This is so that your products will sync between TikTok and your WooCommerce store, making it easy to manage sales and inventory in one place. So WooCommerce is a part of WordPress. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to WordPress login. On your browser that says wordpress.com, you just have to type this in. And if you don't already have an account, all you need to do is to click on this Get Started button right here in order for you to sign up to WordPress. But if you already have an account, you can pretty much click on Login just beside the Get Started button in order for you to log in using your WordPress credentials. So once you're inside WordPress, you will be able to see the dashboard right here of the site that you have created using WordPress. So take your focus on the left hand sidebar. All you have to do is to scroll down right here and click on marketing. Then click on overview right here and you will be able to see the channels that you can connect your WordPress or WooCommerce with. It could be Google, Pinterest, TikTok, Meta Ads, and so on and so forth. You can also see right here the installed extensions that you have made, which I have right here, the Facebook and Klaviyo. So in order for you to connect TikTok Shop to WooCommerce, all you have to do is to click this install extension right here for TikTok. After installation, all you have to do is to click on this finish setup right here. And in here, you'll see an option to connect your TikTok business account to WooCommerce. So you just have to scroll it down and you will be able to see connect right here. So you just have to click on that. And in here, you'll be asked to authorize WooCommerce to connect with TikTok Shop. So all you have to do is to allow the permissions and then choose the TikTok Shop you want to link. And this will give TikTok create webhooks, view and manage orders and sales reports, and view and manage products. So all you have to do is to approve it like this on this button right here. And you can choose which feature you want to add. It could be TikTok marketing or TikTok shop. So in here, all we have to do is to click on TikTok shop right here and hit on next. So once everything is connected, you just have to click and save settings and verify your business by clicking on connect account right here. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.